welcome back to my channel. LaShondacapri here. If you are new to my channel, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick little makeup tutorial using the Colourpop My Little Pony palette. I had this palette for a while now, so I'm actually ready to dabble in it. Looking inside the palette, there are 12 colors. This is what it looks like. It's actually super pretty and I'm super excited to actually try out this palette. As you can tell, I already did my eyebrows off camera, but if you want to know what I used my NYX Tame and Frame Brow Pomade in the color Espresso, and I also went in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee. So if you're interested in watching the video, make sure you continue watching. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Turn on the post notification bell so you're not missing any videos from me. Thumbs up this video, and guys, also follow me on Instagram at LaShondacapri with 2 I's. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the video. So first I'm going to start off by using my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm going to use that on my eyelid just to give me some type of base. And I'm not going to use a lot, I'm just going to use enough just to coat my entire eyelid. I'm going to take a sponge and blend that out. So the first color that I'm going to go in with is going to be this color here. And that is called Applejack. And I'm going to put that into my crease. Now I'm going to be taking this color here. It is called Sky Dancer, and I'm going to take that and I'm going to put that deep into my crease, but on the corner. Okay. I actually like how well that blended out. Next shade I'm going to dip into is this color here. It is called Princess Sparkle. I'm going to take that and put that on the outer corner of my eyelid. Actually blended out really well. I really like that. Super cute. I'm going to switch brushes now. I'm going to spray it just a little bit with some setting spray. This is just something that I like to do. I'm now going to be taking this color here, and that is called Minty, and I'm going to be putting that right in the middle. With this color here, and this is called Flyer Fly, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my eyelid. And now I'm going to take that very first color that I had, and I'm just going to go and blend this out a little bit more. Now I'm going to take this color here. It is called Butterscotch, and I'm going to be taking that into the deep inner corner of my eye. Now I'm just going to take a brush and just knock any of that excess makeup that got on the bottom of my eye here. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and finish off the rest of my face. Taking my LA Girl Pro color corrector. Now I'm going to be taking my foundation by Flesh in the color 34 Pecan. Now I'm going to take some concealer by Maybelline in the color Deep. I love this freaking concealer, y'all. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place, and this is in the color 5. I'm going to go in with my Nutmeg Fit Me powder. I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl Flourish Lash Blast mascara. Now I'm going to take my lashes by Ardell Demi Black, the number 120. I'm going to put my lashes off camera, so I'll be right back. Okay, got my lashes on. Now I'm going to take a little bit of highlighter, just a little bit. And for my highlight, I'm just using my Juvia's Place palette, the Warrior palette, in the color Amina. And I'm just taking just a little bit. Now I'm just going to go in with some lip gloss. Guys, I do not do lipstick much at all, so you're probably not going to see me wearing a lot of lipstick, but I am going to go in with my e.l.f. Jelly Pop Juicy Gloss, and this is in the scent Watermelon. And this is the finished look. I really enjoyed recording this video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. If you did, thumbs up this video and comment some positive comments down below. And like I say in every video, I will see you guys in my next video.